Welcome back. For this type of meshing shape, we will first create reference lines, then create a desired model by merging shapes on each reference line, and at the end, create voids in it. So let's start. So we need to make that cool facade on front of this glass. So for this, go to the level 1 and we have to create the mesh. And now go to meshing and site and place a mesh. Okay, and now make 5 reference lines along this axis. So RE from keyboard, one reference line at this end, one at this end, and one random on the center. Now we will measure it all and make all of these equal. We need another one along this wall. So RP and make this one. Now name these. This one has 1, 2, and so on. And this one to be maybe A. And now we will draw the shapes. First we will draw on this level. So for this, go to south, and from here make set work plane name, and name is plane 1. Okay, then select the line and draw a shape. SP line, start from here, maybe like this. Make shape according to your taste. And after some height, make it straight. And you can make it straight like this, and line and join it. You can double click and you can adjust it like this. I need maybe it's looking good. It's good. Now again set work plane, plane number 2. Okay. Again draw a line, and from here again SP line and make shape as per your design like this maybe. And after this, make it a straight line, or maybe a curved one. Select again SP line. Oh, sorry, line is fine. And maybe here. Now for third one, set work plane 3. Okay, if you remember, 3 is in the center. So in the center we need at lower level. So line, make it till maybe here, and SP line and make your shape. Sorry. We'll start again. Okay, so here it is. It's fine. And after this, make it straight and join it. Okay, now go to the 3D view. If you can see here, all three shapes are ready. Now I need to mirror it here, and this one mirror it here. So for this, go to the west view, select this and this one, and mirror. This is the center. Yes, this is the absolute center. Again, go to the 3D and you can see it is ready. And now, if you want to change the shape, you can, but I will select these, all of these, and create form, solid form. Yeah, now you can see our whole shape is uh, almost ready. We need to create the voids in here. For this, go to the west and level, set up plane, and remember we have named it, this one, as E. Select E, OK, and then make maybe 10 centi. I will draw from here so it can cut all the. So if you select one line and see, we need 10. OK, and select it, move it 10 centimeter here, and white. Now in 3D, it's opposite side, so I will move it here. Now you can see it's cutting perfectly right. Again, go to the west. Now select this and copy it at 20. Again at 20. Again at 20. And again at 20. Now select all of these. No, you can't select like this. Select like this. Press tab, control and click. Tab, control and click. And now copy through 100. Again 100. Again. You can type also 100. And at the last, whatever remains, select it and delete it. Now go to the 3D, and if you can see, this is a really nice shape we have created. Now press tab and select it. We need to give the material, create new material. I'm just giving it as a name facade, and I will just give a color, maybe of brown. Yeah, this one. Now if you see in the realistic, it's a really cool facade we have created. You can change the height of it, and if you want to change its shape, you can edit it and change the shape whatever you want. So that's simply how you can create a cool facade like these parametric panels. Thank you.